Good morning, students. So let's start with our last topics, data validation and pivot table. So let's start with data validation. So what is data validation? Data validation is used to restrict the cell entries within a range, which means whenever we want to restrict our cell entries. For example, if I want my cell entry should be limit up to 10, that I do not want any number more than 10 in my cell, so I'll use data validation for that. Let us understand this with the help of an example. This is the previous table which we have already made. I'll show you how I'll put data validation on this. I want to put my data validation on this field. This is N17 to N25, right? From N17 to N25, I want to put the data validation limit on my table. I'll go to data validation. See setting, input message, error alert. Now I want to put my validation criteria that only the whole numbers are allowed. Between, I can put minimum and maximum here. Any other thing if I want to allow, we can do that. For example, from minimum will be 1000 and maximum will be 7000. That means in this table only the whole numbers will be allowed and within the range of 1000 to 7000. So I have validate my data that I do not want data after that. I just want the data between 1000 to 7000 and it should be whole number. And if it is not there, so it should show a error message. See, the value does not match the data validation restriction divided to this cell. That means the whatever data I have put in this cell, I have written 100 here. That's why it has shown a error message, because I have restricted my data between 1000 to 7000. और अगर मैं इसके अलावा कोई डाटा इसमें पुट करूँगी तो वो मुझे एरर मैसेज शो कर देगा. आई होप इट इज़ क्लियर टू यू. The same way you can go to validation criteria. There are so many criteria ranges over there. You can choose any criteria. See, now I am writing input message, that what error message you want to show. अगर मान लो आपने कोई गलत डाटा एंट्री कर दी वैलिडेशन के अलावा, and what error message you want to, I have written invalid entry. That is my personal message कि जब भी कोई गलत एंट्री पोस्ट हो तो दिस मैसेज शुड कम ऑन द स्क्रीन. इनवैलिड एंट्री, यू आर एंटरिंग इनवैलिड नंबर, and we will press OK and it will show us this message when we enter a wrong entry according to our data validation. So what is data validation? Data validation is the limit which we want to enter, right? It is a limit that we restrict our cell entries to enter. I hope it is clear to you. What is data validation? Data validation is the restricted cell entries. See, this message is showing invalid entry. You are entering invalid number. Please enter number between 10 to 1000, because I have restricted my entries between 10 to 1000. Now next one is using pivot table. So pivot table is already saved table inside this calc sheet. That means we have already a formatted table inside this calc sheet which help us to write the data in a proper format. That means we do not have to write the data in fields and columns or rows. We already have a table which is called pivot table. With the help of that, we can write our table or data or enter the data inside this table. We'll go to insert and enter the data with the help of this table, create pivot table. In this table, the data looks nice and formatted. That's why we use this table. Okay, we'll choose this existing worksheet and then we will click on OK. So student, this chapter is finished now. Tomorrow we will do the exercise of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.